morning, everybody. It's Brad here on this windy Saturday. I normally don't go out and film, but there's going to be like 2 Amtraks on each direction, one on each direction, due to the fires down in southwest Nebraska. That's why the Amtrak had to shut it down. And then we have a loaded coal train that's sitting there on under the overpass. See here. Yeah. I'm currently in Hastings at the downtown at the depot. Gonna be waiting for Amtrak 5, California Zephyr, and it's supposed to be arriving a little after 11. And this is a rare occasion that I will have a chance to catch 2 Amtraks, one in each direction, despite this wind. It'll be looking good. Here goes a passenger. And we're still waiting for that Amtrak to arrive. Normally, I would be in bed by then. Yeah. Probably going to pick up a few passengers. That's what they're doing right now. There's unloading and loading passengers onto the train. It's going to be heading west. The reason for that delay is because of the wildfires around the Indiana Park area. As you see them heading west. First Amtrak arrived at 11:15 and about took off right now about 11:17. That's what we got. This is a place called Brickyard Park. I've never been there, so we're gonna walk around a little bit. Yeah, back to where we were. Yep, this is Brickyard Park. As you see here. Read whatever you want with it. Hit the pause button. That's all you. I don't think I've been to this place, so maybe I'll just give it a walk. Catch over there. Like Brickyard Park is right by the tracks, but they only use those trains, probably a couple trains a day along that line. There's concerts, there's playgrounds, there's other yeah, where Amtrak is stopped in Cambridge. That was the one that we got. It was through Hastings. And we'll see trying to find out where Amtrak 6 is located. Just right here, I'm going to call it quits for the day. Despite this very strong wind, We actually got some local trains and westbound Amtrak. Other than due to the fires, they're not going to bring many trains down here because all the fires, and it's already burned a bridge between Cambridge and Indianola, and the fires are starting up again. So I'm just going to call it a day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. All right, bye bye. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. You can comment on it and you can subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell when I post the video on YouTube. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye for now. Da 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 da.